ai mensim bat pynshlur ekiwei para samla haki kam ïalehkai sport di samla pule barim jong Nativity Higher Secondary School kibala tip kreteng kum Nativity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association hapo kejinglam jong ba kenpam karlengdo bade presiden next ni kala pynkup burom yak samla Banrihun lengdo ha Nativity Higher Secondary School mau kerwan kumban cukdau kasamla Banrihun lengdo khatnyo snem karta kadai kabadang pule ya ka kelas 9 ha Nativity Higher Secondary School mau kerwan bat kadai kasamla kabalayo bankhur artalik tak maksiar ha Kalampung National Arm Wrestling Championship arjar arpsan kabala penlong da ka Kerala Arm Wrestling Association ha kani kesngilai don langro na du principal ka Nativity Higher Secondary School Father Alfonsius Walang ka sister headmistress ka sister Sibina Mawyong nangta usamla Downingster Marweng ba koridor khalengdo kinonghikai lembat ki kena school.
He said, if we try by ourselves, anything we will do it. We need courage, we need determination. Yeah, within. And then we have to have also the target, the aim in life, what I'm supposed to do. And with all the things, studies, we should not forget. So once again, we wish all the best for Banrihun Lingdo, and thank you so much to the President and other members and the past people. May God bless you for this kind gesture which you have shown to our student, to our school. We are so proud of you. We are so proud of Banrihun that from our school Nativity has come up in the field of sport in the national level, or next time we hope in the international level. May God bless our school, bless our past people, bless all the students here, the teachers, and also Banrihun. Thank you, and once again, God bless you all. Thank you. The society in the state, and we are proud that from the southwest Hills, at least this Banrihun has come up in the field of sport and has appeared in the state and then in the national level, and we hope next time even maybe in the Olympic. So that is what we wish for her. But then, as I've said, that she should take more strong and more firm in her studies, so that she'll pass also well and then do well in sports. Then naturally it will be pride for Southwest Kasil, and especially for our school, Nativity Higher Secondary School. So, for what reason, we do not know, nobody noticed it. And I think because of this, many people get discouraged really to do anything, because there are no people who encourage the student to do sports or to do any types of thing. But then we are grateful and we are proud of our past pupils, under the leadership of Contaminant Kalendo, who really took the initiative. Okay. Last time we saw that he has gone to her house in Marshilong to meet her and meet her parents. And then today also in front of all of us here, teachers, sisters and students. So they have arranged this short program really as a sign of honoring and also of encouraging Banrihun Lingdo to go ahead in the field of sports, especially arm wrestling. So we are really grateful to you, sir, and family.
I feel very proud to announce before you, the student, that Banrihun back 2 gold medalists in the national championship held in Kerala arm wrestling. So we feel very proud about her, and we wish her good luck in the future, and especially we wish her to do well in the future, to do and practice well, so that we will see you in the other stage, and not only in the national. We also would like to see you in the international stage, so that each one of us, we will feel proud as we gathered here today. So I request our fellow alumni students to come forward to facilitate her in front of everyone, all the students, gathered here, and the teachers and sister, headmistress and the principal. So I request to facilitate her. First the flower. We would like to welcome. We would like to. It's as a sign of traditional, so we give her one pig, and the Ginger India, and small token as a sign of help from the Nativity Secondary School Alumni Association. So this is just a small token that we have given to Miss Banrihun. This is just a small token, but from our heart we express deep gratitude, and we are express our gratitude to you that you will shine day by day, and we should work hard day by day, and remember this thing, that in every field that you are taken, you have to work hard every day, and you have to work hard from deep down from your heart, so that you will shine more in day by day. So from the Nativity Secondary School alumni, once again we would like to express that this is just the beginning, and we are very proud that I think from the school, this is the first time, I think, in every field, in the sport, I mean, that Banrihun brought these 2 gold medals as a proud to the school, and at the same time also for the Southwest Khasi Hills district, Mokurwan. So once more I would like to request each one of you to give a round of applause.